together with your classmates and your advisor. No one will be allowed to stay outside the school or the lunch will be served by your classmates. Dito tayo lahat magla-lunch together with your teacher. Pwede tayong bumili pagkakulang sa pagkain, pwede tayong bumili sa kantin.
Kasama niyo naman kami.
You may buy additional foods in the canteen, but no one will be allowed to stay outside.
Lagi iisipin ka kasi makarating yung magkakapiisip. Ang hirap makapagod sa problema, huwag kang malunod. Tumakas ka, huwag hindo. Pagkakihawang mga susunod, iwasan mo ang inggit. Ang sa ibang ibig mong makamit.
Sir! Sir! Sa ngalan pang YouTube!
Ibig kong ipapatid na lahat tayo ay kapit-isip.
YouTube yan. Ay, hindi ako naman sa akin eh. Yung pagalitan ako. Gago bakit? Nauha mo ko.
Yung mga kalat na ginamit, makakabawas dyan sa grades sa po. Paalala lang din, one of the criteria will be cleanliness. The first criterion actually is cleanliness. That could be under coordination. Especially those members who are not joining for the music, at least you will be participating in taking good care of your surroundings. Cleanliness must be accountable sa criteria. So be at the business protectory.
Bili-bili na po kayo, Henry. Murang-mura. Maganda na may presenter ko ng bago eh. Very elegant nga. Very elegant nga. Cute pa lang. Yun. Ang duty yun.
Awarded this very exciting Food Fest 2010. This very exciting Food Fest 2010. First year, as I am saying, you have to prepare your class on stage. Fourth year, control area. Third year, jump ball area. Second year, free throw area. Go, go, go!
Video kaya rin.